Hello, everybody. Welcome to Pictrance. This is George Guarino, ready to take you on another journey. A journey beyond the picture to the other side, a place of learning what it is you've come for today. And when you do begin to let yourself become absorbed in the picture, and let yourself pick one point in the picture, one point that attracts your attention at this moment. Now, you may like the point or just find that it's important for you to focus on that one point. Whatever's right for you at this moment is what you've come for, an experience that you can take with you as you look at that point and close your eyes down. Now open your eyes and see the picture, see the point. Make a decision what it is that you really want to focus your attention on for the next few moments to get what it is that you want to bring into yourself, to explore, to have an insight about. Go ahead and close your eyes down. Now open your eyes and see the picture, see the point. Know that you'll be going inside, beyond that picture, to that place of learning. Now, close your eyes down and let your eyes be closed, easily, comfortably, naturally, as you find yourself moving toward the picture. In your imagination, you can move toward the picture and through that point to the other side. As you move through the picture to that point and to the other side, where you really need and want to be now for a while. Comfortable, confident that you can listen to the sound of my voice and know that you're breathing. Know that you're thinking what it is you're thinking and getting comfortable. Knowing that you can discover what it is that's here for you now. And if you were to find yourself comfortable, standing, sitting, relaxing, floating, doing what it is you're doing. And think about the darkness. Think about the darkness and what might be beyond the darkness. What may be there for you. And you can look and find in the darkness that point that draws your attention. That draws your attention as you move toward that point in the darkness over there. And find yourself floating, moving, drifting toward that point, and that point getting bigger and bigger, welcoming you as you pass through that point to the other side, into that wonderful clear space, that beautiful energy, that wonderful sensation of being bathed in what it is that's there for you right now. Let yourself float, drift, be in that space. Like a child floating in space, absorbing what it is you need to absorb, becoming that child once again, innocent and free, able to form the new beliefs that you really need to have now, because your life needs to begin in innocence and begin to form the beliefs that are right for you in this part of your life. And as you are floating and drifting, absorbing what it is that's right for you, you have this wonderful sensation of becoming cleaned and letting go of anything that's been holding you back, anything that's been getting in your way, anything that you just don't need anymore. You can just strip that away from you and just let it float away. And you can hold on to what it is you really want to need, to believe about yourself, to know about yourself. Any of those old things that you used to hear when you got into a situation that were holding you back, you can just say to yourself, who's saying that? That's just someone else saying that. And who is that for me to listen to? I know that I want and need what it is that I'm going after. I know that I can decide on what it is that I want to become and bring into my life, that I want to get more of, that I want to hold on to. I know that I can do that. And I am doing that now. I make that promise to myself that I am doing that now. That's right. Hold that inside. Hold that inside and let it cover you and be all about you now. As you begin to float toward that point that brings you back into that space of emptiness, darkness, looking over there at the back of the picture from where you came. Look to the back of the picture and the point from where you came, and notice through the back of the picture where you once were looking at the picture, and find yourself drifting through that point to where you once were looking at the picture. And now open your eyes and see the picture, see the point, and know all that you know now. And close your eyes down, knowing that anytime you see the picture, remember the picture, or just know that it does exist in this world, you will continue to know that you are able to move toward what it is that you want. Now open your eyes, see the picture, see the point, see whatever it is that occurs to you now, that feeling, that comfortable knowing that you have inside, and close your eyes down, knowing that any time that you remember the picture, see the picture, or just know that it does exist in the world, you will continue toward what it is that you need and want to bring into your life. Now open your eyes and see that picture, see that point, remembering everything that you need to remember and letting it grow stronger and stronger as the days, the weeks, the months, the years go by. Close your eyes down, knowing that anytime you see the picture, remember the picture, or just know that it does exist in the world, because it does. You are moving toward what it is that you want to accomplish and bring into your life. Now go ahead and open your eyes and take in a comfortable breath. That's right. Acclimate yourself to the space that you're in. Just kind of move your body, knowing you've done a great job listening to the sound of my voice, taking everything in that you need to receive at this moment. Thank you so much. This is George Guarino for Pictrance. Thank you for being with me on this journey today. And until the next time, be well.